How to grow and care for a bonsai tree, a beginner's guide to miniature masterpieces. Bonsai trees may look like tiny magical forests, but growing and caring for them doesn't have to feel like wizardry. At our channel MtecHD, we'll show you how to turn your home into a serene, bonsai-filled oasis. First things first, choose the right tree species for your lifestyle and environment. Beginners often start with hardy options like ficus, juniper, or Chinese elm. Once you've got your bonsai, pick a shallow container with proper drainage because bonsai trees love their roots cozy but not soggy. Fill it with well-draining bonsai soil. Yes, it's a thing, and no, regular garden soil won't cut it. Now, the real fun begins. Watering a bonsai is both an art and a science. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb: when the top layer feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. But here's the catch: bonsais hate being overwatered, so don't drown the poor thing. Light is another essential factor. Most bonsais need 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily, so find a bright spot near a window or use grow lights if natural light is scarce. Trimming and pruning are where Bonsai Care gets creative. Regularly prune the branches and roots to maintain that perfect miniature look. But don't go snip happy. Each cut shapes the tree's aesthetic. For wiring, gently bend and guide the branches to create your desired design, but be patient, this is a slow art form. Fertilizing is also crucial since the limited soil in a bonsai pot can't hold enough nutrients. Use a balanced fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season to keep your tree healthy and vibrant. And don't forget about repotting. Every 1 to 3 years, depending on the species, to refresh the soil and prevent root-bound conditions. Caring for a bonsai tree isn't just about maintenance, it's about developing a relationship with a living art piece. Each day, you'll learn to observe its needs and appreciate its growth. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring bonsai master, the key is to enjoy the journey and the tranquility it brings. So, grab your bonsai tools, subscribe to our channel MtecHD, and let's create some miniature masterpieces together.